Hi guys, welcome back to another Classic Car Revivals video. I know it's been a few weeks, I'm sorry about that, but yeah, in this one I'm going to do a workshop walkabout, show you what we've been up to and yeah, what we've got in the workshop, so check it out. Hi guys, welcome back to the Classic Car Revivals channel. I know it's been probably 4 or 5 weeks since I last posted a video, maybe longer. I've had a little bit of stick off of people for that, but we've just been so busy I haven't been able to record much. It means I've missed a lot of stuff that's gone on in the workshop, but because we've been so busy, my priority has been getting the work done. But I'm going to do a quick walk around now and show you what we've been up to. So this is the 1981 911 SC. It originally came in for a bare metal repaint, but it has evolved into a full restoration. So if you follow the channel, you'd have seen us do a load of metal work on this. It's gone through all of our bodywork stage and is now painted in tobacco brown. We've had a new chap join us called Owen. He painted this and he's made a lovely job of it. We're really pleased with it. So looking forward to getting this back together. The next thing we're going to do on this is get it rolling. And then at that stage, it's going to sit for a few weeks, maybe a little bit longer, maybe a couple of months, just while the customer saves up a bit more money to take us through to completion. So while that's on hold, we've got plenty of other work to be getting on with. In the metalwork room, we've got a late Beetle. The Beetle is going to be our show car for next year. It's quite a big spec car. It's going to be on air ride, big engine. It's actually going to be another brown car, which is funny because we actually hadn't done a brown car up until last month. So that Porsche was our first brown car. Those of you that have been following the channel for a long time will remember the Karmann ghia. So this has been sat in the corner gathering dust for a little while. We started the metalwork on the back. It's now back in the metalwork room, and we are going to be cracking on with that. We're going to be on this now until all of the metal work is finished, and then hopefully start the bodywork for paint. Just a quick walk around on the Beetle. This has had loads of metal work done so far. We've got the structural shell all solid again. We've done videos on the floor. The last video, I think we finished the floor pan. So the next video on this will show us getting the heater channels in. We've done the rear cross members, front quarter panels, both sides. We managed to get some genuine new old stock panels for that. So next up is the rear quarters, and then we can focus on getting things like the valance done. But yeah, this has made some good progress. We still need to get hold of a couple of panels, but it's pretty minor stuff. So this will probably be the next one through the paint shop. What else can I show you? So over here, we've got the 1987 911 Carrera. Again, this was a bare metal repaint job. We did find a little bit of metal work that needed doing. So kidney bowls, bottoms of rear quarters and seals. Pretty usual stuff for 911s of this age. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of us putting this back together, but I will do a good walk around video showing you bits and pieces on this. That will probably be next week's video. But it is all together now. It needs a final clean down. We have had a bit of a problem. It's got a real nice it's supposed to be a Targa roof replacement. The original Targa roof would be like a fabric top. This one is it's kind of like plexiglass. I can't remember the actual material. But we're having some fitment issues with that, so that's going back to the manufacturer. But in the meantime, the car will be going back to the customer so he can enjoy it through the summer months, and then we'll get it back to sort the roof when the manufacturer sorted that problem out. Over here, this car has been with us for a long time, but if you've again followed us for a long period of time, you'll remember that this car should have been scrapped. So this is the 912, over 600 hours of metal work, body and paint, and yeah, it's pretty much back together now. This is going to be a show car for next year as well. It's on air ride, big Type 4 motor in it. So this will be going off to the trimmers hopefully end of summer. We've just got to finish the engine work on it, and then we're pretty much done on that now. And then in the prep room, This is a car that you guys probably won't have seen much of. It has had a whole load of metal work. It's a Sunbeam Rapier, and we are now doing the bodywork on it. We don't get asked to do many British cars, but this one come into us as a shell replacement. The owner's original car had a big accident and was kind of beyond repair really, but it's given the owner sort of free rein to do what they want to do with it. So this is going to be going a Lamborghini pearlescent green, hence the green epoxy on it. So this is now going through the bodywork stage. So this will be probably 3-4 weeks of prep work, filler work, priming, and then sort of end of August, I reckon this will be painted, hopefully. So yeah, I'll be posting probably one long video on that will show all of the metalwork and all of the paintwork. So yeah, that will be quite an interesting car to get painted. We won't be fitting that up. We're working with Willie Engineering to do that one. But yeah, that is pretty much everything we've got in the workshop. Again, sorry for not keeping you guys up to date over the last 5 weeks or so, but we've got lots in the workshop going on. So yeah, plenty more content that will be coming your way. So there we go. I've shown you guys what we've got in the workshop at the moment. Hopefully it interests you all. I really hope you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, just so you can stay up to date with what's going on. I will try my very hardest now to try and get videos out regularly on a weekly basis again. We had got on a decent roll, so hopefully we can get that going again. Things have settled down a bit in the workshop, so yeah, I'm feeling pretty confident we can get that content out to you. So if you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week when we will show you what's going on with this Beetle. Cheers guys.